Hi everybody. The main objective for this video is really for us just to get to know each other. My name is Mr. Krueger, and I'll be your teacher throughout this biology online course. Now really, the best way for you guys to get to know me is by taking a look at my confidential file. So, let's see what's inside. As far as family and pets go, I have two kids. Nora, which is the little girl, and Jonah, her older brother. You can see by this picture that Jonah is not much help in taking care of his little sister. Therefore, I'm oftentimes very occupied taking care of these two children. I also have a couple pets. Up here we see a crested gecko. His name is Mr. Sticky. And then over here we have my three cats, or I should say my wife's three cats. This is Peanut, Dexter is in the middle, and then Spaz is the black one over here. They're pretty terrible, but they keep my wife happy. What makes me happy is biology. I get really excited talking about all the different topics that we're going to be learning about throughout the course of this school year. We're going to start off by talking about cells. We're all made out of cells, and we're going to talk about what exactly cells are and what they do for us, and all the different types of cells. And then we're going to go into organic chemistry, which is all about the molecules that make up cells. Cell transport is what moves in and out of cells, and how they move in and out of cells. So the first, quarter of the school year, we're really going to be focused on cells. After that, we're going to be talking about energy. This is photosynthesis and cell respiration. And then we move on to genetics. Students always get very excited to learn about genetics because you're learning about what makes you up. Why you have the traits that you have, and how those traits are passed on to the next generation. We will then go on to cell growth and reproduction. And then we'll end the year talking about two of my favorite topics, evolution and ecology. I really like ending the year with ecology because, you get to look at some real world problems, some things that humans have done in the environment, ways that we have affected the environment, and how the environment can recover from these changes. So we get to look at some real-world scenarios, and I'm sure, other topics like, viruses might pop up from time to time as we progress through the school year, and that's perfectly fine. Talk about what's going on in the world today. Now, what I want to do is play a little game. The game I want to play is called Two Truths and a Lie. I'm going to tell you 3 statements about myself, except one of those statements is a lie. See if you can pick out the lie. Number 1, I'm an experienced rock climber. Number 2, I once tried out for the singing contest, The Voice. And number 3 is I drove through all 48 continental states in a single road trip. Can you guys tell which one's the lie? If you guessed number 2, that I ever tried out for a singing contest called The Voice, that is the lie. Now, you'll discover that as we go through the school year that I'm a man of very few talents, and singing is definitely not one of those few talents. Now, it's your turn. What I would like you guys to do, just so that we get to know you, and you get to know all your classmates, people that you're going to be working with throughout this school year, is I want you to make a short introductory video about yourself. A video that tells us who you are and allows your classmates, to really get to know you, a few interesting things about yourself. So, your video should be short, about 2 to 3 minutes long, And in your video, you also want to mention 2 truths and 1 lie, Unlike my example, you don't want to give away which statement is the lie, because you want your classmates to watch your video and then they'll guess which of the 3 statements is the lie by adding a comment to your video, what they think the lie is. After you create your video, I want you to upload it to YouTube, and then submit your URL to Currents, or, what is now, the Google Plus community. after you submitted your video, I want you to view some of your classmates' videos, alright? So a minimum of 5 of your classmates' videos I want you to watch, and I want you to comment on which of the 3 statements they mentioned in their video that you think is the lie, alright? So just under the video, just comment, you know, I think that this is the lie, or I think that that's the lie. So as you go through this assignment, please make sure that you have fun, right? And welcome to biology. Again, my name is Mr. Krueger. Really looking forward to working with you and getting to know you throughout this school year. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.